Which of the following layers in an antral follicle is acellular? Antral follicle is a stage in the development of follicles in the ovaries of females during which the follicle contains a fluid-filled space known as the antrum. Now, coming to the option, we have option A, Sona pellucida. Sona pellucida is a acellular glycoprotein layer that surrounds the oocyte, that is the egg cell, in the follicle. And it is important for the fertilization process and plays a role in protecting the oocyte and facilitating sperm binding. So that means option A is the correct answer because it is acellular. Option B, granulosa. So granulosa are a layer of cells that surrounds the oocyte and are involved in the production of estrogen and providing nutrients to the developing egg. So option B is incorrect. Option C, theca interna. So theca interna is a layer of cells that surrounds the granulosa and they produce androgens which are converted into estrogens by the granulosa cells. So option C is also incorrect. Now coming to option D, stroma. So stroma is the connective tissue surrounding the follicles and it is not directly involved in the follicle structure. So they are also cellular. It is not acellular. So option D is incorrect. So the answer is option A, Sona pellucida, which is acellular.